Hello everyone, this is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment student. Today we will discuss the other agricultural steps from which the farmers can grow more and more crops in their fields. First is weeding. Means what is weeding student? Weeding is the process from which the unwanted or undesirable plants are removed by the farmers from their fields. Now what are the weeds student? Weeds are the plant students, they are known as unwanted or undesirable plants that are generally grow in the fields with the crops. And what they do, they harm the crop student. Why do they harm the crop? Because they take the nutrient from the soil from which the crop plants get the less nutrients. So what the farmers do? Farmers should remove those weeds from their field student, and they can remove these weeds with the help of the particular process. That process is known as weeding, and that weeding can be done manually or it can be also done with the help of in some chemical substances. Those are known as weedicide. So weeding can be done manually with the help of flow student, small flow it can be done, or it can be done with the help of weedicide. Now what are the weedicide? Weedicide are the chemical substances that are sprayed inside the crop, and those all weedicide kill the weeds, but they harm the farmer student. That's why when the farmers do the weeding with the help of weedicide, at that time farmers should cover his nose or mouth with the cloth student, because it may enter inside the body of the farmer and it may harm them. That's why farmer should protect himself or herself from the weedicides. Now there are the two weedicides that are given in your book. It is 2D and 4D. 2D and 4D are the weedicide student. Now we come on the next important step of agricultural practice, that is harvesting. Now what is harvesting student? Harvesting is the most important step of agricultural practice. Why student? Because it is the step from which the farmers get the fruit of his hard work. Means farmers get the fruit of their hard work with the help of this step, harvesting. Now what is harvesting? Harvesting means the cutting of the crops, and in this the agricultural tool that are used are known as harvesters or the winnowing machines are used in the harvesting student. Now harvesters or the threshers, what they do, they separate the grains or the seeds or the pulses from the remaining part of the plant. And after the harvesting, the process that is done with the help of winnowing machine, in this the husk, leaves or stalks, they are separated with the help of the winnowing machine. Now we come on the next important step that is also plays very important role to collect the cultivated crop student. It is known as storage. It is the last step of agricultural practice. In this, what the farmers do student, they store the crops in the metallic bins, large size metallic bins, and those large size metallic bins are also known as silos. Or they also collect their crops with the help of the jute bags in their granaries. Granaries are the room-like structure. There they collect the crops or harvested crop. They collect, and they collect or they store the harvested crop in this way that harvested crop don't have the effect of the humidity, sunlight, or moisture, or pest, or insects. From all these, the crops, cultivated crops, are protected with the help of storage. So it is the important step of the agricultural practice. Now we come on the next, that is known as animal husbandry. Animal husbandry. Yes, student, now we will discuss about the animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is the branch of agriculture, student, in which the rearing and taking care of animals is done by the farmer for economical purpose. Because with the help of animal husbandry, these are the important products that are collected by the farmers. First is milk, meat, wool, and with the help of that they earn the money, student. And it is also the most important agricultural practice, and it is known as animal husbandry. And when the animals are reared for the milk purpose, student, then that is also known as dairy farming. Means when the animals are reared, like the cow and buffaloes, they are reared for the milk purpose, then that particular farming is done, known as dairy farming, student. It is known as dairy farming. So it is about this chapter 1, student. Now you will read this chapter and try to cover all the keywords and the question answer in your notebook or in your workbook. You can do in your workbook, you will do all these question answer. If you have any problem, then that you can discuss with me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.